Welcome everybody to this tutorial. Today we're gonna build e-commerce website. It will gonna look like this: home page, our blog page where we can post our blogs, also shop page. We can customize everything, we can add extra categories and contact page. Basically you can modify whatever you need on this site. WordPress is very flexible. Now we go to expand domain and find domain with some rankings. So we install our theme. It's depend on your hosting, but it's very simple usually. This is fresh theme. Now we're going to delete all plugins what we don't need. Maybe we're gonna leave some for later on. And now we're going to settings, general, checking everything. The most important, now we're going to permalinks and set post name, and we need to save changes. Now we need to install theme. We're gonna use Woostify theme and the type search, and now we're installing this theme. It's very important for us. We gonna delete two other themes. We have one and one spare one. In case something going wrong with one, we still have backup, but we don't need four. Now we're going to find plugins. These plugins I using on all my websites. Elementor, it's the most important one. They're all important, but Elementor, this is how we design our website. Super important. Okay, we skip for a while this one. Just skip. Basically you can create your account. It will give you more abilities to use Elementor. Okay, we exit for a while. So Elementor automatically creates this page. We're gonna delete it. We're gonna delete this one to avoid ranking problems. Right now we delete all pages and we're looking for our next plugin, which is WooCommerce, and we're going to install it. Then we activate it to make sure it's working. It's redirecting us to setup page. We're going to do it later. All right. Now we going to install our next plugin, which is WooCommerce wishlist. We research it and then hit activate. We're gonna settle it later. Right now we're just installing plugins. Press add new. And then we're looking to install for one more plugin. Variation swatches for WooCommerce. That's the one. We hit activate. You can enable updates. So it's gonna update automatically. Okay, we're gonna install Updraft Plus so we can back up our site all the time. It's really safe. In case something going on, we can just restore it. Next, we're going to install another plugin, which is really important. I'm using it also, which is WordPress Security. It can block people from unauthorized attempts to log into our site. So now we're setting up WooCommerce. We go into settings. We put grams because watch is not heavy. We don't need to put kilograms. Products. Taxes, it all depends from your country. How much taxes gonna be. For Europe it's different, for US it's different, so basically you need to set it later on. Here we can choose country, for example US. And we can find percentage rates. You can Google for which state how much is percentage. This is our payments tab. Basically this is types of payments which can we activate on our website. We can put direct bank transfer, check payments, cash, WooCommerce payments is the most useful. Also we can install payment plugin for our website. Everything for WooCommerce to make life easier. So here we can see on top payment plugin for PayPal, WooCommerce. We install and hit activate. So this is our product from WooCommerce. So we can set price for it. Sale price, this is short description, long description, and hit publish. And then it will appear on our website. So this is another product. Here you can see we set affiliate product, and now we can just copy a link from Amazon. And that's why we don't have to put payment system, because we can use our affiliate link or just another link for a while. So customer will be redirected directly to Amazon or whatever link you put. We also can set up price, and you see we set external affiliate product. That's why we can just paste a link from another site. And that's how it works. This is buy from Amazon. It will be says on our button. And we publish our new product. So this product's what we posted already. We need to go Elementor, settings, and Flexbox container we put active, very important. So now we start building our home page. Super important page because it's a front of your website, main page of your domain. So we need to create heading, then we need to create subheading, Right now we're using 2 headings, just a bit changing size of text. We can utilize ChatGPT to create our headings. So you can experiment what you like better. Also, it's important for search engines. You can put whatever you like. Typography. Also, you can align in the center, a little bit modify. So basically you can go typography, text stroke, and text color. And we can use like this. Everything subject to change, so you can set how you like. So we add in flexbox container and we add in button. We need this button to assign some function for it. For example, categories, shop. Then we go in style and we're going to change color. So I'm set gradient and then color codes. Color codes you can just Google or pick your own. So now we duplicate this button and now we have 2 buttons and we align these buttons from left to right. Basically I decided to change design a little bit. So we have 2 containers now, and in another we will paste image. So image you can find in the internet or make picture of actual product. So we aligning it in the center. So a little bit modify image. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Supposed to look better. Instead of playing with all these margins, I can just modify image by itself. Okay, now it looks better. This is how it looks on tablet and mobile device. Okay, looks perfect. Now in our next container we insert an icon box. Then we can change icon of this icon box. It's not difficult. For example, we can put this clock over there. Then you can just type icon box description for your website and ChatGPT will create different prompts, different descriptions for it and headings. It's depend of your niche. So we're just duplicating it and we don't have to do any other settings. We can just duplicate and start to fill up with the content. So classic elegance. Also we can copy paste description. Going to change icons. This is all quick changes. In the end, you can modify. Because of course you need to spend some time to figure out which icon is the best and everything. Exceptional quality. It's perfectly match our niche with alternative watches. That's why we're selecting it. Now we need to select icon for it. Quality, thumbs up, very good. This for classic elegance crown. Affordable luxury, it's more associated with money. That's why it's like this. Trending design. So now we have 4 icon boxes with some description of our site. Then we insert flexbox container and one more. We can just duplicate it, align. We select full width. Then we select percentage. How much percent each box will be. Right now we're going to design categories for our site. Inserting heading. So this category will be for Rolex alternatives. Selecting typography, adding one more heading. Making a little bit different size. You can also add some description for it. It's good for SEO also. Now we put some description for Rolex alternatives category. ChatGPT is helping us. So it's help us to make it faster. But anyway, we need to edit it because AI sometimes creating some nonsense. Alright. So we just copy and paste design of this button. align in the center. Here we also can align by the center. So center. Okay. And we're going to add image. If it's Rolex category, we need Rolex watch over there. We always need to put alt text. It helps to SEO. Align by the center. We a bit reduce size. Like this looks better. So now we edit border of this container. Set alignment. Then we can put frame, and then we need to set up border radius just to make sure it's look nice. Here we go. Oops, not that one. All right. Now it's look much better. Okay, now we're going to edit border radius for our watches. Looks good. So we're going just to duplicate instead of redoing everything, and then we filled it up with the content. This next category will be for Hublot watches. Also, you can put some description for it. We utilizing, like always, ChatGPT to make it easier. But anyway, we need to modify this text. So we need also to change image. For Hublot watches, we select Hublot image to display. Looks good. Here we can put heading luxury watches alternatives, basically for other different categories. It's important for us. Select image, always fill up alternative text, and preferably with the keywords of your page. So we put Richard Mille, then we need some description. Timeless design is okay. So description of this one, yes, looks nice. So now we have 3 categories. We can also use some padding. So from each side it will make some distance. And then we just paste style. We can edit only one and paste style, and same settings will apply to all other containers where we paste in this style. Also we can add some padding from top, a little bit to separate from previous category, and from the bottom. So it will look like different block. Now we can put some divider. Also we can rename this divider. We can put width of this divider. Selecting text. How big it's gonna be. And we're selecting color. Make it a little bit more dark. Okay. So we can add some description for it also. All this description is good for SEO. So it will be found in Google. That's actually the main point for us. To optimize a website for SEO. So we need this all descriptions. As more text is better. Also we can select color of text, size. Always hit update to save changes. Now we're adding shortcode. So this shortcode will display our products. Very important. So you see I selected category Rolex and limit. I'll put 4 products because we don't need 5. And we can insert shortcode for each category. We just need to select, for example, it depends on your niche, but we can put like Rolex, Hublot, luxury watches. Also, we're doing some padding from the bottom. So we go into our products, categories, and we need to add some categories. So this one, Hublot category. It's going to be on our website. That's why we're adding it. Another category will be luxury watches. Luxury watches alternatives. We need all of this to display it on our homepage. And we will input it in a shortcode. This is our pages. Then we're going back to our home page and we're going to edit it with Elementor. So now again we type in shortcode. Now we have already category. So we paste in code changing 4 products per page, and we type in name of category and press add. Right now we don't have many products of Hublot watches, that's why it's showing like this, but later on we will add, so it will show up. We type divider, before and after, so we wanna paste one more short code. This is code of it. But we're going to change to another category. Because we don't need same category twice. Alright, so this is our products will show up on our main page. Now we add in another container, and we add in one more container inside of the container. And we duplicate it. One will be with image. So we're going to select image of watches, which will be on our page. To make our home page attractive for users. So we add one image, and from other side we add in heading, utilizing ChatGPT for this one. Exceptional performance. Then we're going to add description. It's also important for us. Then we, as usual, modifying size of the text plus color, make it more dark. Choose secondary color. Copy paste, add in more description to improve our performance for SEO. Site is about watches, so we need to put some catchy description for it. Then we need to align it, justify content in the center. This is basically what I shown is quick editing, but later on, of course, it's always room to improve. And with the time, of course, you're going to improve all this block. You put better description, better pictures. But for the beginning, it's really okay. It's no problem with that. So basically I move that shortcut for all other luxury watches code a little bit down, so it will show up underneath of that block. When I'm going to add another products apart from Hublot and Rolex, for example Patek, Richard Mille, it will go to that section. So here we're going to put our testimonials. So we write in testimonial in Elementor. It have already presets for testimonials, and also writing stars. So you can generate testimonials in GPT chat, some description. Until you get real one, you can replace with a real one. But of course, if you're just starting out, you don't have any, so you can utilize power of ChatGPT to do it. So this image is generated in Bing chat. You can type text and it will generate image. Always fill up alt text. It's really important for SEO. So when we have one, we can just duplicate it. Basically, we're duplicating it 4 times. Oops. Okay, now looks better. And then we put some pattern to improve our design, so it's look nicer. This is our testimonial section. It's also important for SEO, so always do it. We also need some pattern, top and bottom. Okay, basically this is our homepage. It looks nice. Now we making it responsive on tablet devices. Looks okay. This is for mobile devices. We changing size of our headings, and it changes only for mobile devices. Mobile devices looks good. Probably mobile devices is the most important, because a lot of users using mobile devices to scroll internet. Okay, our site is optimized, homepage. So now we add new pages, contact us page. We utilize in WordPress, so it's really easy to customize it. We add in some plugins. I always use Yoast SEO, I got used to. It still have some alternatives. For example, all-in-one SEO or rank math. But for me, the most comfortable is Yoast SEO. So I'm using this one. I got used to it. Basically, they're working in similar ways. They just showing what you need to do. to optimize on-page SEO. So we adding extra plugins, contact form by WP Forms. We install it, then we activate this. We need this contact form for our contact page. So we pressing add new form and let's go. So we can just use simple contact form instead of creating from ground zero. Okay, so here we have name, last name, email, enable notification, general, field options, advanced. We can put small, medium, large fields, size. Basically it's everything self-explanatory. For now we can choose large. We can name our form. Some options are paid. So we changing text inside of the box on how we can help you. Change the name of a form to contact us. What else? So submit button, name, save. Alright. So now we're going to edit our contact page. It's important for us. We editing in Elementor. So we drag and drop container. This one called Flexbox container. We can create container first and then we can put heading over there and name. This is contact us page. We can select H1 over there because sometimes it's saying we missing H1 headings on a page, so let's have it. Even though we have it, but we can make it. So I generate description for our specific website. A small text is better for SEO, so we add in description and going step by step on our site. To add text and everything. So we go into user preferences, we activating that button, and now we can just duplicate much easier. When we hover on this pencil icon, we can duplicate, or we can close, or we can copy. It's much easier. It's just to speed up the process. Get in touch. Put some description over there. It's also good to check for plagiarism, content generated by ChatGPT, because sometimes I need to change it due to some plagiarized content. Plagiarism is not good for search engine optimization. So we add in 2 Flexbox containers. One of it will be WP form. We select in form, and voila, WP form is ready. And visitor can contact us through this form. Now we're going to edit button to make it look nicer. Selecting margins. So we adding heading for another site. Don't hesitate to contact us. And also image. Image generated with AI. All time put alt text to improve search engine experience. Pretty lady from other side. Okay, so our page is responsive on a tablet, responsive on the mobile devices. Looks good. We can also copy our testimonial section on contact us page. We need to change this review to some another one to avoid duplicate content also later on. So this is our blog page. On this page will be our blog posts. Blog posts helps with SEO also. We publish on this page. Now we go in settings. And then we need to go settings and general. Okay, now we're selecting homepage and post page blog page. So now when we go into our website, our homepage will be first page, you see, looks good. Right now we don't have any blog posts, so blog page is empty. Okay, so now we go into customization of our theme. So this is for our blog post. So we can select what we want to show and what we don't want to show. Also we can set design, font size for our blog page. We need to put 20 at least. For mobile, because Google Search Console giving errors very often if it's too small to read, especially for mobile devices. So I will time put 20 font size. This is for single blog. Also we put settings. As soon as you publish some blog post on your sites, you will see all these settings. So this is body text. Also we're trying to put 20 everywhere. Alright, to avoid some issues with Search Console. put 20 everywhere. So people with low vision can see. On mobile devices, some mobile devices can have really small screens. And if text is small, it's difficult to read. But right now we optimize at least 20 size of fonts. So just to make sure it's good. So we go into customization settings of WooCommerce product. Go into appearance, and we going to build a new menu. We need to select menu name, because we need our header and footer of our website. We select primary menu, mobile menu, and then we add in what we want to see over there. What's going to show up on our menu? So blog, home page, contact page, shop page, and we add in items to menu. So we still don't have much categories. That's why we're going to screen options and add in these product categories. And then we put this product categories and the shop subcategories. So it will take less space from our header. And we save in our menu. Basically our menu is ready. It's going to show up on our header. So now we need privacy policy page for our luxury watches alternatives website. We change them to headings. We're not really trying to rank for privacy policy page. That's why we don't have to super optimize it. That's the most important. Also we can write a meta description. Meta description, mini description, which gonna show up in Google. So then we check in what is duplicate here, and we ask in ChatGPT to rewrite that one, and then we copy paste to our website to avoid plagiarism. be doing for all sentences. This one. As option, we can just exclude from searches this page. Also rewriting this sentence on a similar one, but not plagiarized. Okay, our privacy policy page looks good. Almost there. We publish it. So this is refund and return policy. Also we need a bit to optimize to put all headings. This is all AI generated content, so we still need to edit it. It takes much less time, but still we need to edit. We put as headings. Highlight contact. We just type contact and it will appear our contact page link. Focus keyword contact. Meta description as usual. It helps us to save time and effort and to finish our website faster. We need to make it green. Indication. Right now it's green. Good. Refund and return policy. Now we're going to install plugins, add new. This is called classic widgets. We needed to set up our footer area. Selecting new menu. It's called legal. So here we're going to add our pages. Selecting view all, term of service, privacy policy, returns refunds. That's why we was creating it. It'll be in our footer of our website. Now we're going to create another menu. We also put it in our footer. It's called navigation. It'll be similar to our header. We're going to add home, blog, and shop page. And hit add menu. Okay, now we're going to visit our website. We hit customize. You see we have already header of our website. So now we need to build our footer. We select 4 columns. So right now, as you can see, footer widget 1, 2, 3. Background color we can put white. And we're going to add footer widgets. So right now we're adding just text. To help our SEO, search engines optimization. So we put headings first. And now we put description over there. Trying to paste it, but it didn't work. I post headings right now. Okay, when I select text, that time I was able to paste the text. Alright. Now it looks better. We're going to add search. Search is super important. And now we're looking for our footer widgets. Navigation menu. Alright, here we go. We need to put title also. Alright, our footer almost ready. So let's look okay on mobile, on the tablet devices. So this is the lowest point, which is footer. Going to delete some of it. And add all rights reserved. Alright, looks good. Our footer area is ready. Header almost ready. So this is how our products look like. We can still modify it. Aspect ratio 3:4. Wow, this looks much better. Going to layout settings, our sidebar. We need to set up our sidebar, very important. This is settings of our sidebar shop widget. So we're going to add widgets to our sidebar, which is search, of course. Another widgets will be recent posts. And product categories. So visitor can pick category which he wanna check on our website. This looks good on tablet, on mobile devices also good. So we don't need recent comments. We don't need archives. This is just for our post sidebar settings. We leave only search, recent posts, and categories. Make sure 20 pixels text size. For submenus. We need to make it properly visible on mobile devices. Also, we change in size of the text. We should make at least 20 for each to avoid problems with Search Console. Hit publish. Check in same settings for mobile devices, tablets. Also, we can add a logo for our site. It's very simple to create. You can use Canva, Photoshop. Just type text, select color for each word, and that's it. That's how it's look like on tablet, on mobile devices. So now we're going to set up links for these buttons. We paste in link to each category to shop page. This we link in just a products category for Rolex, for Hublot. Still we don't have anything for Hublot, that's why it's difficult to find, and also we don't have products for other categories. But we have link already, so we're going to link, and as soon as we post new products it will show up. And that's it. Congratulations, your website is ready.